The USO is here to help our troops win the war. Show your heart and do your part. This film will show you how to make paracord bracelets.
Thank you for helping make USO paracord bracelets for our troops fighting overseas. There are so many uses for these wonderful bracelets. Once disassembled, it can secure a tent or a tarp between trees. It can hang tools from around a soldier's belt or secure a splint. These are super useful. Thank you for helping with their manufacture. We start with 7.5 feet of paracord, and we're going to start by making the stop knot that will secure the bracelet. Pick up the paracord and measure about 3 inches from the end. You can use your ruler to help you. Take the end of the cord and wrap it clockwise, forming a small loop, just like that. Everyone do that along with us. The length of the tail should be about the distance from your fingertip to the crease of your first knuckle. Transfer this to your left hand. With your right hand, make a loop and place it through the loop that you have already made. Grab it with your right finger. With your left hand, grab the end of the tail and pull. So let's do that one more time. We have our clockwise turn. The tail is a knuckle length. We take the long cord, fold it, and put it through the loop like so, creating another loop here on top. We hold this with our right hand, tail with our left hand, and we pull. This short tail should now be about 1.5 to 2 inches long, which is about the distance from the tip of your finger to the second crease in your knuckle. Now, take the short tail and put it through the back of the loop. Pull tight. Showing you that one more time, we take the short tail, come back up through the back of the loop, and pull tight. After tightening your knot, make sure that the length of this tail is still about 1.5 to 2 inches, the distance between your second knuckle and your fingertip. Please take the knot and place it on the gray dot on the bottom line of your special jig. Follow the arrows and trace the route with the paracord. Once again, place the knot on the gray dot and trace the route of the arrows with your paracord. Once you have completed tracing the route, hold it in place on the right side. Pinch together the 2 lower cords and place the top cord over the top. Pick it all up in your left hand. Once again, once you have the route outlined, pinch the bottom 2 cords together, place the top one right over the one with the loop, and pick it up with your left hand. Now, you will take the cord that is loose, not the one that you are pinching, and you will bring it down and wrap around the paracord loop that is created. You will go around and around and around. It's actually easier to just twist the entire bracelet. The goal is to get all of the loose paracord into this twist. So all we're doing is twisting the bracelet to get the paracord onto the bracelet. All right. When you get to the end and you still have a lot of cord left, what we need to do is push the loops down that we already have and keep twisting, because we need to get all 7.5 feet of paracord into this bracelet. So once again, just to show it to you one more time, after we've picked it up, we've pinched this together, the top cord went over the top, we pull it down and tightly wrap around once, twice, 3 times, and then we start rolling the entire package, the entire bracelet. We just start twisting it so that the loose cord, all this loose cord, will become part of the bracelet. So we just twist, very lightly twist the whole bracelet so that the paracord coils onto the bracelet. Twist, twist, and it's coiling. When we get to the end and we still have more to twist, we just push down and keep twisting. Be careful not to cover up this loop at the end. We can't push it so far down as to cover the loop at the end. It's amazing how much cord you can get onto the bracelet. Keep pushing down and wrapping. Have a little further to go. Once you have about a 1/2 inch of tail left, that is fed through the loop, which is right under the knot. And then you can pull up these loops to cover that knot if you like. To make the loops nice and even, you can roll it out on a flat surface. To close the bracelet, we put one end through the loop on the other side, and there we are, completed bracelet.